Hi students, good morning to all of you and welcome to online classes. Let's come student. Today we shall discussing about oceans. Okay, so oceans, this is the subtopic name. This is coming under the unit 6, that is directions and map reading. So in our previous class we learned about continents, then what is meaning of continents, how many continents are there, which is the biggest and which one is the smallest continent. That's all the thing we are learned in our previous class. And this class we will study about the oceans. Friends, the oceans are the great body of water that cover 2/3 of the earth surface. So total earth surface, out of 3 parts, okay, 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, okay, out of 3 part there is the 2 part is the water, then only 1 part is land. So that's the reason oceans is very large content in the water, and that water is more part in the water. So let's come to the oceans are there, already biggest than the seas, and there are 3 major oceans on the earth. How many major oceans? There are 3 major oceans. Those are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. And this out of 3, I think Pacific Ocean is the very largest ocean, and compared to Atlantic, the third one, Indian Ocean. And one more important part, all the Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, Indian Oceans are the very large content of water bodies, and each oceans including their smaller water bodies called sea also, gulf also, and bay also. Okay, so these are all 3 come under the oceans. Okay, so in the ocean, seas also there, gulf also there, bays also there. So that's the reason ocean is very bigger, and each oceans also come in this, like for example student, here Mediterranean Sea is there. One Mediterranean Sea is there, I think you also know that one. Mediterranean Sea and Caribbean Sea are there. They are part of Atlantic Ocean. This one, Atlantic Ocean is there. This Mediterranean Sea and Caribbean Sea are the part of Atlantic Ocean, and similar like the Bering Sea and South China Sea, they are part of Pacific Ocean. This one, okay. And one more, in the Indian Oceans also some many seas are there. And one more important student, in our India there, there Goa side. Have you seen Goa? That's Goa in the Panji, near that in Karnataka, Mangaluru, that one sea is there. That's a sea we called Indian Ocean. That sea is coming under the Indian Ocean. This is, I am telling to my their practical news. Okay, and one more important I am telling to you. One more is there. This one, Atlantic Ocean, is also called Arctic Ocean. Some people are called this one Arctic Ocean. Keep in your mind, there are 2 names of this one, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, this is the about related to the oceans only. What is the meaning of oceans, and which are the major oceans, and each oceans including the smaller water bodies, those are called seas, gulf, bays, and examples also are there given here. So this is this much only for your 3rd standard. Oceans related knowledge is there. You have to keep properly, watch and learn, and it make a notes in your notebook. Okay, and next class I will give one exercise part. First you have to try, then if you don't know that one, I will explain to how to solve that exercise question related to this one. And before that completing the lesson, I will give one activity that is very simple. Look at my word map. I have seen word map. Okay, in the word map you have to find the location of India. You have to find the location of India, where is coming in the word map in our India. Okay, that is your activities there. You have to do practice. Yeah, I hope you are understood. So next class I will tell about exercise question answer. Have a nice day. Bye.